Welcome to Techy, the fastest growing electronic repair franchise. My name is Tim. Techy began as a cell phone accessory shop called 441 Cell, and we morphed a few times before becoming Techy. We started 441 Cell back when we were in our early 20s. We saw the wave of cell phones and smartphones becoming more and more popular. We began selling cell phone accessories wholesale to phone stores in the area. But we wanted to grow and expand, so we decided to move into our first retail spot. Our original store had great success, but we noticed constantly people asking us, "Do you know where to get your phones fixed?" We were sick of turning away business. After doing some research and speaking to some colleagues, we went all in and learned the ins and outs of fixing mobile devices. We then created Dr. Phone Fix. Now, our business model was fixing electronic devices, and on the back end, we would upsell them cell phone accessories. As the tech industry grew, so did our capabilities. We realized the name Dr. Phone Fix was confusing our potential clients, so we did another major rebrand, and now we are Techy. We became Techy in the winter of 2020, and it has been a wild ride ever since. Over the last 3 years, we've made a jump from 40 locations to over 100 plus locations. All of our Techy employees work at our 24,000 square foot headquarters. We have partnered with retail giant Walmart. We are now launching with Walmart Techy Cafe in the next few weeks. We bought our biggest competitors, Experamax, and are learning the ins and outs of selling certified pre-owned devices. We partnered with InMotion, which you've seen all in airports, and they supply us with thousands of used devices that we supply to all of our franchisees' locations. Techy is rapidly growing, and we couldn't be happier with all of the new expansions. If you're looking to join a billion-dollar industry, a franchise concept that will guide you forward, email Nicole@techycompany.com.